Pike County is still fighting to recover from all of the recent flooding. You can see the mud and debris left over here in one of the Commonwealth's hardest hit areas. We spoke to Senator Phillip Wheeler, who represents Pikeville. He said that he expects a unified response from across the aisle to help his constituents now dealing with devastation, the same way he's seen neighbors helping neighbors.
There's people that have really suffered. The mayor of Elkhorn City lost his father in the flooding. I think the death toll in Pike County is now up to 11. This has really been very impactful for a region that was already suffering economically. And even still in parts of Pike County, still recovering from the floods.
On top of that devastation, state officials say at least 10 bridges were wiped out from the flooding.